Bitcoin price prediction. BTC at $42,700 amid $1 billion ETF inflows and Texas hash rate drop. Imbalt equals Arslan Butt SRC equals https://simd co/authors/781/responsive images/image 2023 110 15 56 36 418 media library original 300 JPG class equals imfluid img circle loading equals auto. Arslan Butt last updated January 18, 2024 29 EST 4 min read. Img. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size vol WP image 150 3050 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.3 JPG alt equals Bitcoin recap with equals 1280 height equals 720 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.3 JPG 1280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.330x169 JPG 3.0 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.3 JPG 10.24 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.3 768x432 JPG 7.68 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,705,555,281.18.3 150x ID4 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1208 ix 100 wa 1208 ix and Todd. Financial landscape. The Bitcoin price prediction becomes increasingly significant as BTC trades at $42,700, marking a 0.75% decrease on Thursday. This trend occurs amidst a surge in market activity, highlighted by nearly $1 billion inflows into Bitcoin ETFs over just 3 days. Additionally, external factors such as the severe cold in Texas have led to a notable 34% drop in Bitcoin's hash rate, reflecting the cryptocurrency's sensitivity to real-world events. Further influencing the market is VanEck's decision to delist their Bitcoin Strategy ETF, a move attributed to shifting investor interest and the fund's performance. These developments collectively paint a complex picture for Bitcoin's future valuation and market dynamics. Bitcoin ETF sees $1 billion inflow in just 3 days. Recently launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs witnessed net inflows of approximately 21,000 Bitcoins in their first 3 days, amounting to around $894.6 million at the current Bitcoin price of $42,600. Significant contributions came from Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund FBTC with 12,112 Bitcoins and BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT with 16,362 Bitcoins. Following the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust GBTC experienced notable outflows, losing about 25,000 Bitcoins in its transition from a closed-end fund to an ETF. Despite Bitcoin's price dropping by roughly 10% since the ETF's launch, they have generated a substantial $10 billion in trading volume in the initial 3 days, highlighting their impact in the broader market and sparking ongoing debate about Bitcoin's future success. Texas cold snap causes 34% drop in Bitcoin hash rate with freezing temperatures causing a strain on Texas's energy grid. Bitcoin's hash rate experienced a significant 34% drop. The rate, measured in exahashes per second A/s, fell from over 629 on January 11 to approximately 415 on January 15. It later recovered to 454 A/s on January 16 as temperatures slightly increased. Texas, accounting for about 29% of the U.S. Bitcoin hash rate, became a hub for mining companies relocating from China after the latter's regulatory crackdown. During this period of extreme cold, major mining operations like Marathon Digital temporarily halted their activities to help preserve the electrical grid stability. This fluctuation in the hash rate underscores the vulnerability of Bitcoin to external environmental factors. Despite Texas's power grid demonstrating resilience, the volatility in the hash rate poses questions about Bitcoin's stability and its potential influence on market prices. VanEck to delist Bitcoin Strategy ETF due to performance. Investor shifts less than 2 years since its launch. VanEck has decided to delist and liquidate its Bitcoin Strategy ETF, attributing the move to factors including investor interest and fund performance. This decision follows closely on the heels of the SEC's recent approval for VanEck to list shares of its spot Bitcoin ETF. The closure of the Bitcoin Strategy ETF, trading under the ticker XBTF on the Cboe BZX exchange, was influenced by a comprehensive analysis of various elements, particularly operational efficiency and performance metrics. The fund is set to be delisted by February 6, giving shareholders until January 30 to divest their holdings. VanEck hinted that the SEC's green light for spot Bitcoin investment vehicles played a role in their decision to phase out the futures-based ETF. While this development is expected to have an incremental impact on Bitcoin prices, it also mirrors the ongoing shifts and trends within the evolving ETF marketplace, highlighting the dynamic nature of financial investment instruments. Next, let's explore a forecast for Bitcoin's price and take a closer look at its technical analysis. Bitcoin price prediction on January 18, Bitcoin BTC is exhibiting a minor decline, trading at $42,688, down by 0.11%. In the 4-hour chart, a critical pivot point is established at $43,288. Bitcoin faces immediate resistance at $44,384, with further hurdles at $45,260 and $47,060. On the flip side, support is initially found at $42,374, followed by $41,469 and $40,482. Technical indicators show the relative strength index RSI at 44. Suggesting a neutral market sentiment. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA is at $43,408, hovering near the pivotal level, indicating potential resistance. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView chart patterns reveal that Bitcoin is currently consolidating within a tight trading range, fluctuating between $43,500 and $41,500. This pattern signifies a period of indecision among traders as Bitcoin struggles to establish a clear directional momentum. Conclusively, the overall trend for BTC/USD appears to be bearish below the $43,400 mark. However, should the price breach this level, the sentiment could shift. In the short term, the asset is expected to test its resistance levels, with any significant break potentially altering the current bearish outlook. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research.